What's up, YouTube? Let's go. Sets. I think sets or Venn diagrams are probably one of the most hardest topics in first year. Now, A union B complement. That thing here means everything that's not in A union B, that complement. So it's the 1, it's the 2, it's the 10, it's the 8, it's the 4, and it's the 14. 1, 2, 4, 8, 10, 14. The answer is C. That's what it means. All right. Using natural numbers. Now I would draw these out, guys. If you see these, you draw out your sets, right? Number one, I'm not exactly Picasso. Never claimed to be. Oh my God, you can clearly see I'm not going to be Picasso. Look at that. U is a natural numbers from 1 to 10. So U, that's everything that's going to be included here, be natural numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I would do this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I would draw it out there, guys. Sets of all factors of 12. Now, A. So, A, what are the factors of 12? What are the factors of 12? Come on, tell me in your head. You know this. What are the factors? They're going to be 1, 2 is a factor, 3 is a factor, 4 is a factor, 6 is going to be a factor, and 12. And then B. And B. So for B, set of even numbers from 1 to 12. What's even? So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I wonder if I can lose 12. I'm going to put 12 there for the moment. So, set of even numbers from 1. I would fill this out then. I really would. Like, what's the common between these now? Definitely 2s are common. 4 is common. And what else? 6 is common. 12. So 2, 4, 6, 12. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 12 if they're asked for it. It's okay. We'll see if they come back for that. So there's your A. There's your B. And that's what I do first and foremost. Set of even. Find the number of B less A. So that's the number of things in the element. So that number thing sounds like number stuff in the element. So just count them all. Maybe we should finish off the circle first, TJ. Take my own advice. What's not in there now? We've 1. That's him ticked off. Sometimes I do this, lads. I'm ticking off 1, 3. Put your 3 in here. That's it. And then B. What's not in here? The 6 is definitely there. He's in there. 8 and 10. So 8 and 10. I don't see them. 8 and 10. All right. Find the number that B less A. So everything in B, take away A. So there's 2. If you took away everything, like I use my hand, put your hand over all of A. So if you put a hand over all of A, like this, if you cover all this, you're just left with 2 numbers, A. So the answer is D. So it's not 8 or 10, it's just how many. So it's 1, 2. There's two things in there. That's what it means. That's what the little hashtag means. Does that make sense? All right. We're still back here. Now we have to find the number of A intersection B. So go back to here, and if I just unwound this, find the number of, so how many is in the middle? 1, 2, 3, 4. I see I counted 4 of them there. Hey, and 4 is in the answers. That's it. Keep moving. Same thing again. Find the number in A complement. That's everything that's not in A. So, crucially, TJ, I'm missing something here. Remember U. The whole thing is U. I know I'm not Picasso, I know that. But what have we knocked off so far? So in A and B, you would knock off 2 is definitely mentioned. I can see 3 there. I can see 4. I can't see 5. 6 is there. I don't see 7. 8's done. 9 is not there. 10 is definitely gone. 12 is gone. And 1 is gone. But I can't see 5. I can't see 7. And I can't see 9 or 11. So if you wanted to do that, like they were not mentioning any of the sets, I would put them out there. 5, 7, 9, 11. And so what we were asked to do is find everything that A complement. So we're looking for, like, go back to this number that's A complement. That's complement. That means everything that's not in A. How much is not in A? So again, I'd be covering all of A. So you're covering all this, like, covering all this. So you're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's how much is there. There's 6 down here. Yay, it is. Happy days. Done. I would do the same thing here. I would raw stuff out. A group of 100 Spanish tourists were surveyed. I remember this in my own first year exams back in the heyday. All right, let's go. A group of 100 students were surveyed, so use 100. Maybe I can call this 100. Use 100. So I would do. 80 can speak fluent English, so English. Italian. Draw out the things. Draw out the circles. Oh, it's going to be very tight. 80 can speak fluent English. 60 can speak fluent Italian. 5 cannot speak English or Italian. So 5 goes on the outside. They can't speak anything. So I'm going to put 5 here. How many can speak both languages? We'll find that out. Okay, we'll find that out. 80 can speak fluent English. So it's actually, you don't have to draw it. You could draw it out, but like you're simply going to say everything must equal to 100. Everything must equal to 100. You know that 5 of them are definitely counted for. They can't speak it. You know that 80 can speak the bit of English plus. So what you actually find out here is what's in the middle. It's kind of actually basic algebra. So 80 plus 60 plus 5 should give you 100. So that actually equals 145. If you add them all up, add all these up here, that's 145. Now, these need to match. So what's the difference? It's 45. Because you'd be saying, oh, take away 45 in the middle, because 45 speak both. So it's actually 45. Hey, 45 is there. That's how I found it. I just like add them up. So that's a really good question to go back and see again. Draw it out, but like it's kind of like, like a balance. You're like weighing up 2 sides. Like this should equal to that. The total is 100. And so whatever you add up, it's got to equal to 100. It's basic algebra, but I don't want to go into the algebra side of it for you. I just want you to like kind of think of it like a weighing scales, like, has to balance out. That makes sense. That's really important. That's a really important question. Okay. How many can speak English but not Italian? English but not Italian. So go back to up here. 80 can speak fluent English. 80 can speak fluent English, and then 45 could speak both. So out of the 80, 45 could speak both English and Italian. So that's English, who are like the rock star in English, and then this is people in the middle who can speak Italian and English. Take them off, and then you're left with 35. There's 35 people there who could just speak English and not Italian. Yep. That's it. Done. Dusted. I would go back and check this if you're a bit confused. That was a good test of Venn diagrams. And if you can get stuff right and understand it and draw it out and work with it, it'll really, really help you in your